Hi, this is Mock Artist Education. Mock Artist Education will give you how to draw and how to speak English. Why we cannot speak English, and how to discuss with your painting, and how to exercise, how to practice with your own language. Our mother tongue is not English. Our mother tongue is Bengali, but English is our official language, and many people they speak English, but they could not speak English. Why? They understand. Many people say to me, I understand English, but I cannot speak. Why you cannot speak English? It is a very important things of our society. Every people know, many people knows English language. English language is very important for us. Then this painting is very good, but my English is not good. Why? I I have rich father. I don't go to English medium school. I go to Bengali medium school. Then I learn natural language. Our mother tongue is Bengali. But my painting is good. My skill is good. By I don't grow up my life. Why? Then I can understand. I did not speak English fluency. English is our very bad situation in our society. We can speak always we can speak Bengali, but I write English. But your English is not good. You cannot speak. You could not speak. You would not speak. Why you would not speak? Why you would not speak? Why you cannot speak? But this class will be very interesting. This class will help you encourage how to increase your speaking and how to increase your painting, how to discuss your painting. Like just thought, it is means practice of English. It is exercise of painting. Painting will give you some thoughts, and English will give you your expression, how to speak English. Then let's start. My class topic is today's your. This is not I am English talker. I practice my English. I did not know well English language. Just I can understand. I try to speak, and you can understand. So let's start my painting. My painting is I collect this painting with this internet. This I like most painting. This eyes is very interesting, and body, and this is called like a tribal human figure, a man. So I have drawn. I have drawn this picture 2021. Before 1 year, I have drawn this painting, but I have no video. That time I have a painting, but I thought how to explain on my YouTube channel, so you can see and how to explain. I give you some idea, how give you some idea. You can use for this painting. You can use. This is the Staedtler pencil also. Yeah, many pencil. This pencil also I can show you. This pencil also Staedtler here, and I give you some just knowledge. I give you some just think and thought how to draw, and why you cannot draw well. So many people, and you will see like when you like thought this photograph. I have a thing. I have a question. think see and observation. See and observation very important. You see just your with eyes, and your observation catch your brain. Your observation will catch your brain. Observation and see. You put the painting, then your painting will very fine. Then how to see a painting? How to see a painting this time? This is new technique. How to see how to observation a painting. This body, this portrait, this hair is very interesting. Beard is called body parts, neck and arm is all belly, chest, then a stick also. This observation will help you. This observation will help you when you see with this technique. This observation will help you. You increase thought. Your thought increase. How to increase your thought and thinking power. Then after this type of painting, you cut the hair and you saw this painting. This is new technique, how to shape and how to see. Here. Then you just saw this part of portrait and you shape this here, and this technique will help you painting quality grow up, painting quality reach up, and then your skill grow up. Many people say sir, I have no skill, I cannot draw. Why you cannot draw? You're thinking. You think and you observe your subject and your object and how to draw this, and you will help you. 100%, I said you 100% you use this technique and you could this apply your thought and this type this technique is very important when you draw your first thought. Many people think drawing is very easy, but it is not easy. It is of a research center of your studio. I have a studio. I have a easel. Easel is very important, and when you set on the chair, then when you draw, it is important. Easel is very important. Light is important. Light also here. Light. This is a light hour. These are also things are important. All our material things will give you idea. So let's start our drawing skill. How to shape this painting. I think already understand how will you give the shade and this shade how to pencil use. So then this video will now finishing time. So this is mock artist education. Mock artist education will give you some interesting thoughts. Mock artist education will give you some new ideas, painting and English language, how to speak and how to draw, and why you cannot speak English. Then mock artist education, this and you can understand what I say, and just you practice with your English and you can draw and you success. So if you like this video and you subscribe our channel, and we give you some new thoughts and ideas. So let's start.